we want to make a tea. We want to make tea here. So we have three stones, this one, and that one. So this Voria will be here. Yes. So you have to put a Voria here so that we can make our tea. Yes. Here is now that's the Safari. So we're waiting for milk.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Yes, this Safari. Look at this Safari. Oh, it's like wow. So
see now
that's milk. Yes. Then what next here?
Adding water.
You add the water. So time to add water.
What is tea for 6 people?
Yeah, is it 6 people or 3 people? This is for 3 people, not 6. Let me tell the truth, guys.
No.
Yeah, a lot of water. A lot of water.
No, you have to drink the.
Yeah, we are putting a lot of water. What next?
Now. It's this. Yeah, okay. This I find it.
What do you call that? Tea.
Tea.
Majani.
So we call majani.
In Swahili.
In Swahili.
Yeah, we call it majani in Swahili.
Then next, I'll add sugar.
So you put sugar before. Let's put sugar. 1, 2.
Ah.
That's an African way of making tea.
Ah, we are in Africa now.
Yes. And this is your boy BM Africa. So we are preparing tea for you today. For those who are in America, Jamaica, London, Russia, Canada, yeah, Philippines, all over the world.
Next thing is only to wait.
We're waiting for the tea to be ready before we get to this our daily routine. You do this, then you go. Yes. Yeah. Sure, let's wait. Let me push the fire there. Now the fire is good. Yes, this is how to light a fire, to make the fire. Nice, man. This is Africa, guys. I want you to try this. You try the lifestyle of every side. the bold side, the jungle side. I mean, you can also try the lifestyle of the city life in Nairobi or in Africa, in Las Vegas, in California, in UK, London. I mean, even the land of water and wood, a lot of wood. Someone told me that people in Jamaica they cut trees and make wood, charcoals. So we are waiting for the tea to be ready. Almost ready, almost. Until it changes the color of the milk.
Oh.
Yes. It's very nice. Okay, now see. You see, can you hear the sound? Mm. Now it's forming something that is changing the color slowly. You can see that it's changing the color. Yes, slowly changes the color. Wow, it changes the color slowly. Look at that. Let me try to show you how to cook tea in an African way. Yeah, the jungle tea or the bush tea preparation. Almost ready right there. You can see the tea. So you are waiting for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the tea to be ready. Almost. Okay, let's go. Just a minute. 1 minute. 1 minute for the tea to be ready. Yes, you see now? It's have already changed the color from milk. This is the mixture of milk, tea, water. Yes. Look at that, look at that. The tea is going to be ready. This is an African way of life. Very nice. Look at that, look at that. That's very nice. Wow. It's ready. Now it's time to drink the tea, to have the breakfast, Very nice in Africa. I really love this. Wow, so we have to remove some fryer. Yes. See now? This is how everything is. Look at that. Look at that. It's amazing way of making tea.